Okay, what are we going to do about the third quarter? What do you think, Jason? I've got 57 ideas. Number first.
Well, that's what it feels like.
I just can't get them to participate. It feels like...
Have you heard of the Crusaders Leadership Program?
No.
Embrace the silence. Sometimes just stand there and you might have to count to 20 seconds in your head. Normally the information comes out as perfect.
Morning, everyone. We need to get engagement up in the next quarter.
So what do you think, Jason?
Me? Oh, well, we should be talking to customers on a daily basis.
Well, that's what it feels like.
Yeah, it feels good. Feels good to be on a team.
Throw it up.